My name is Jason Rambo Hancock, and I am the owner of Rambo's Mobile Mechanic Service out of Granbury, Texas. Today I want to do a little breakdown video of a stereo amplifier out of a 2005 BMW Z4. This can be found right next to the battery, which is in the trunk. What happened to this one is a cooler got left in the trunk and leaked out and leaked down into the battery compartment and leaked into this stereo amplifier. So today I'm just going to take it apart for you. Hopefully if something like this happens to you, you can just very carefully and delicately clean off the circuit board, and maybe it'll work for you. So let's get started. A lot of it's just going to be, I have all these screws removed already. So you're going to remove the screw here, screw on this side, take out your fuse, of course. And then on this side you have screw there, screw there. Then you see you're going to have screws here, 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 and on this side here, 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 here. And then this thing just pops up and off. And it exposes the motherboard. Now I've already taken this apart and done my cleaning. But when you open this up, you're going to find these little tabs there, here, 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 and here. And all they do is they just sit in this little groove right here. And so I just took a pair of hemostats and just grabbed them, just popped them up out of there. They're pretty tight, but you can get them. And then after you get all those off, you'll have another row of screws there, 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 and there. And then you'll just remove those. All these screws are the same size. So, and then under here, so right along in there, and right along in here, you have a strip of double-sided tape. And it runs all the way through here and all the way through there. So you just kind of have to grab this and pull on it, and you'll feel that adhesive just come undone, and it'll just pop up. You'll see the adhesive there, double-sided tape, and then on this side too. And then that will expose your circuit board. Now on this particular board, we had a lot of corrosion along in here on this side. So I cleaned this up the best that I could. I am not a professional at this. I'm sure there's plenty of videos on how to clean up a circuit board. This is not one of them. But that is how to take it apart. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Assembly is reverse of disassembly. So just wanted to put that out there for you. I hope this helps somebody out. Thank you. Have a good day.